Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. I just want to say a real quick thank you to Pawpaw at Doing It Cheap for advertising my channel, and a big welcome to everyone who has subscribed to me from there. I really appreciate you guys coming over and checking me out. If you like what you see, please subscribe and be a part of my channel and hit that bell, the solid bell, and you'll be the first one to be notified that I upload a new video, and I'm going to be doing that every day. We're also giving away a gift, a prize. We're giving away 20 different gifts from January 1st through February. Not an everyday thing, but we're on gift 6, and I will be making a video shortly after this. What I want to show you today is dehydrating apples. So easy, so delicious, so nutritious for you, great for the kids. All you do is slice an apple. Wash your apples, slice it, put them on your dehydrating tray like that. Put it into your dehydrator at about 120, 125 degrees. Only takes about 4 hours to do this if you have a temperature controlled dehydrator. If you don't, it's probably going to take you overnight. I started out with the Ronco dehydrators, and I started out with 3 of them, and I still have them, and I use them for years. They are a wonderful thing. There's also the air fryer dehydrators and many other dehydrators on the market. I happen to have an Excalibur right now, and which is like my dream dehydrator. And it works really quickly, really efficiently. So these will be ready in about 4 hours. And I just love to munch on these. I don't put any cinnamon on them or anything like that. They're really good. And you just put them in a jar to store them with the air out, or you can put them in a food saver bag and they'll stay. You can put them in the refrigerator to stay even longer. In a food saver bag, they'll stay for about a month or so. They won't turn brown. You don't have to blanch them before doing it. In a jar, as long as you have the air out, they'll stay for pretty long, probably about 2 to 3 months, and they'll taste just as amazing as the day that you made them. So if you haven't tried apples, this is one of the basic things to dehydrate. I bought a bag. These are Gala apples. I really like the Honeycrisp apples. Those are some of my favorite apples ever, but they're always in short supply, more so now, and in season for only a very short time, maybe 3 or 4 weeks, and that's it. But the taste of them is so amazing. The Gala are really good to make juice out of, for eating with caramel or dehydrating. They are one of the sweetest apples that you can dehydrate, and it doesn't lose the flavor. So try it, buy a bag of Gala, dehydrate in your dehydrator, and let me know what you guys think. So we are going to be doing a giveaway, and going to be asking questions. And you have to answer them. Be a subscriber to win, and watch for that video coming a little bit later tonight. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that bell, like the video, leave a comment about what you want to see me dehydrate, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so you are eligible to win my contests. Good things coming. We're starting with the little things, moving up to the big things. So we're giving away books and funnels and ladles and debubblers and some sourdough starter, lots of things, and then a couple of big items at the end. Who knows? Somebody may win a dehydrator. You never know. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Please share my channel. But please make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. It helps YouTube's algorithm and shares my channel even more from other channels and searches. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.